My name is Mark Deere from Supporting SME Leaders. Many of my clients often ask me about employment law. So today I'm asking Marie Walsh, a friend of mine who is an expert in the field of employment law, to join me to answer some of these important questions. Hi Marie.
Hello Mark.
What do you find small businesses worry about most in relationship to employment law?
So I think most small businesses really worry about mismanagement of their people on a human resources and employment law basis. They worry about mismanaging disciplinary and grievance processes, sickness absences and any ensuing tribunals, but most importantly they worry about employment tribunal costs and costs to the business if there's a mistake that's made.
What three main tips would you give to a small employer who's looking to dismiss someone?
Take advice. Before you take any action in relation to a HR or employment law related issue, pick up the phone to either your HR practitioner or your legal advisor. Follow your own procedures, that's my second tip. Either follow the ACAS code or your internal procedures to deal with whichever issue has arisen. Look to your handbook and your policies. And the third tip I would give to small businesses is act consistently with all of your staff. If you've got a procedure, apply it and don't deviate from it.
What advice would you give to a small business if they were being taken to a tribunal?
So if a small business is being taken to a tribunal, the advice I would give them is the same as previously advised, which is to consult an advisor immediately. Get a response to the tribunal paperwork in as soon as possible and make sure it's clear and consistent. Get some help with that if you need to. Secondly, I would ask the business to get witness statements early doors from any potential witnesses. Make sure events are fresh in their minds and that there's absolutely no discrepancy as to the facts. And thirdly, I'd advise a small business to take a pragmatic and commercial approach to settlement. It's not a personal issue, it is about money and keeping the business afloat.
So thanks for that, Marie. So to summarise, immediately seek advice when any issue occurs. Follow your own procedures and policies and effectively take a commercial approach and a pragmatic one towards the problem. For further information about how to contact Marie, please look at my website www.smeleaders.co.uk.